So you had mentioned the impact of not doing health care and what that could mean. Can you describe that for us?
Well, the reality, as I talked about today, is that the healthcare system is broken, and with the Medicare Trust Fund going bankrupt in 2017, the costs escalating for employers and individuals such that they're dropping insurance and the uninsured is increasing. The option to do nothing is not a sustainable option. We will have healthcare issues on the provider side, on the individual side, on the employer side. So we've got to figure out a way to address the healthcare of our country. But it's a challenging and complex process, and the stakeholders don't all row in the same direction to try and get to the best answer.
A lot of media attention on talking about President Obama's desire to see something passed before the holiday recess. In your mind, is that realistic? And if not, what are we looking at?
Based on what's been going on in the Senate committee, which only started debate of amendments on Monday of this week, and they've only voted on one, I think it's unlikely that the Senate will pass health care reform before the holiday break, but possible. The reality is they've got to figure out an answer for the public plan that keeps 4 senators with them. If they do that, they may be able to actually pass it, but I think it's highly unlikely. I think the next best hope is before the State of the Union address, which I know there's big pressure around that. And I think that's going to be a significant challenge, particularly to get a reconciled bill between the House and the Senate.
And to come to Rotary and speak this, what's the benefit to you in coming to Rotary and telling everybody what your views are and kind of giving us a synopsis?
Well, I hope the benefit's more to the people who heard about it, because it's an extremely complex issue. It's being written about everywhere. Everybody puts a different bent on it, and I'm sure some people will think I put a bent on it. But the reality is the more we all know about what's out there and how these things might impact us as our business or as an individual, the better off we all are to help inform our legislators about what we think is right.
Thanks for allowing us to put also your presentation on our website, and I think we're all a lot smarter as a result of today. Mike, thanks very much for your time.
You're very welcome. Thank you.